Zendu Fitness, you're about to be a witness for the first ever 2 dudes on a roof workout on the YouTube channel. Now, this is much more than the normal getting lean course workout that we usually have been producing this whole month long. Today we're doing something different. You see, back in the day, Dano and myself met each other in Austin, Texas, and we teamed up to create this workout called 2 Dudes on a Roof. It was cool, we had a bunch of people join, it was a great community, and the thing that's different about those workouts and this one is that usually we just take you through a workout, but with this one, like we used to do, we're gonna add in a little yoga cool down session at the end, as well as a meditation. So you get to train your mind and your body today. Before we get into the workout, just want to mention at the end, if you like it, please give the video a like, ask us any questions that you have, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more workouts like this one, and finally, if you want the rest of the Getting Lean course, we've linked it up in the first line of the description for you, so you can go check that out, get in there, get your nutrition plan, get the rest of the workouts, get yourself sorted to get that Zen dude or dudette physique. If you want the jump rope using this video, I'm going to link it up in the right hand corner of the screen right now for you. It's the one that we use, we recommend. It's just the best out there. So
it's the best.
It's the best. Check it out.
Zendu Nation, what's up? Brandon, will you please start your warm up? Let's go, baby. We got 20 jumping jacks to start things off, guys. Get the blood flowing. Beginners, we recommend that you do this warm up like 3 times, maybe 2 if you're more advanced. Get the blood flowing. Great form, dude. This guy with his form though. All right, next, 10 air squats, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what you want to be doing on these is coming a little bit lower, about 90 degrees or a little bit lower. So see how far my boy Zen Master F is coming down? That's how far you want to be going, guys. Make it count. Next up, 10 front lunges. We're front lunging, 5 on each leg. Now, when you come out, you want to take a big step out so that your knee, Brandon, show him from the side. Thank you, sir. There you go. Your knee should not be coming out over your toe. Good. Big steps out, guys.
I think that's enough.
Push-ups. Push-ups, guys. All right, take a breather, guys, and then we're gonna run through that again. Again, beginners, we're only gonna run through this one more time in the video. If you need to run through the warm-up a 3rd time, please do so. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Catch your breath.
I think I'm ready, Dan.
Breath. Go. Go. 20. Let's go, man. Come on, guys. Come on, Zendu Nation. It's not about the time. It's about the intensity that you're working out at. So, what does that mean? If you are just kind of strolling around, jogging for an hour, that's not going to do anything to your body. You have to be working out at an intense rate for a short period of time. Squat, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That form is what I am talking about. Do squats like that, ladies and gentlemen. What? Is this funny? Is this funny? No. Front lunges. Front lunges. Front. There we go, guys. Good. Very good, Zendu Nation. Guys, also, like I remind everyone on almost every video, have fun with your workout. Go find a unique place to do it. It doesn't have to be a roof. You know, we're pretty high up here, but it doesn't have to be on a roof. It could be on a roof, but find somewhere enjoyable and new. Mix it up and have fun, guys. Good, B. We're gonna start the workout here in a sec, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you like, and let us know, do you guys like these full-on workouts where I'm just standing here kind of coaching you through it? Is that more enjoyable? I hope so, because honestly, dude, this is like